So here is the layout for your safety glass top. When we go about laying this out, you want to go through and make sure that you pause the video so that you know exactly what your measurements are. So now we're going to go through and lay out to drill your hole. As I showed you up on the board, we are now going to measure back 2 1/4 inches. So that would be 4 lines past the 2. You're going to take your square, make sure that you're tied up against your outside edge, and then you will draw your line, which represents 2 1/4 inches back. Now I have to intersect that line at 1 5/8, just like the measurement told me on the board. And so I'm going to make that intersection, take my square, line it back up to make sure that I'm nice and tight, draw my intersection line, and just to make sure, I should be able to measure from this side 1 5/8 and then flip my ruler around again and measure 1 5/8 once again, and it does, so I know it's in the middle. Now we're ready to drill our hole. So now that you are ready to drill your hole, come over to our drill press that is closest to the classroom, and then what you will do is there is already a straight edge set up for your 2 1/4 measurement. But then what you need to do is, with the open end of the drill bit is exposed and I can see the point of my bit, that will make it easier for me to line it up to where I'm going to drill. So I see that my point of my Forstner bit touches my intersecting lines, and now that I have set that up, I can turn my machine on and just take my time drilling through. Make sure that you let it come to a stop, and then you have just finished drilling the hole to your safety glass box.